Only here on Atlanta News First, 2 lives saved inside the Cobb County Jail. Deputies recently stepped in to help a pair of inmates having a mental health crisis. Atlanta News First reporter Chelsea Bimefore is live at 5 at the jail for us. So Chelsea, departments like Cobb are pushing for better mental health care, I understand.
Yeah, unfortunately, deputies we talked to say this can be a monthly, sometimes even weekly occurrence where an inmate may try to take their own life inside the jail. That's why the sheriff's office is pushing for better mental health care and better resources for detainees.
They're waiting for this. They want to jump in and do the right thing and save a life.
Since Cobb County Sheriff Craig Owens took office in 2021, he's been focused on providing better mental health care for inmates inside the jail. Deputies have undergone training on that topic, and recently it's been put to good use.
When I opened the door, I was able to see his eyes had started rolling back in his head. The parts of the whites that I could see were bloodshot.
Sergeant Tyler Johnson says he walked in on an inmate trying to hang himself from a cell block bunk bed. Weeks later, Deputy David Morris witnessed something similar.
I saw him in the corner with a bed sheet tied to a vent by the toilet, and he was using all his body weight to support on his neck.
In both cases, the deputies sprang into action, using their training to remain calm and remove the sheets. Both inmates survived.
Fortunately, we were able to save him. We got him to medical. He ended up going to the hospital, and he is still here today.
But that kind of work can also be mentally taxing for deputies. So Sheriff Owens and jail leadership have taken steps to provide resources for staff, too, like peer support groups and a relaxation room.
So they can sit down and ease their mind, breathe a little bit, take a relaxing, sit in a chair.
It can be a stressful job for deputies, but Sheriff Owens says his guys have saved far more lives than there are deaths at the jail. And while there have been several suicides under his watch, the sheriff is working to reduce that number to 0.
We've been working very hard for the past 3 years, providing much support as we can and bringing more help into the facility, give them what they need so they can be better citizens walking out of the facility.
And here at the jail, there is a mental health professional available 24/7 for inmates who may need them. The sheriff says he will continue to push forward for even more resources to help with both mental and emotional health. Reporting live from the Cobb County Detention Center, Chelsea Bimefore, Atlanta News First.